Hi guys, so when I started making videos on this channel, I just grabbed my camcorder, which is probably from like 2012, and started filming, and there was a USB card already in there. When I went through some of the videos in there, there is a super cute video of me and also my fiance Joel. We made this thing from, I believe it's Yummy, called a Crookie. So it's brownie and a chocolate chip cookie. So to show you how I did that and just to show you the kind of adorableness of Joel and myself at this time, I think we were like a year into dating. This is about 2018? 2018? Yeah, 2018 sounds right. Here's a video of Joel and myself being quite adorable, in my opinion, making brownies, cookie things. You'll see, you'll see. Do you ever just see things and go, I need to make that? So I was sitting in bed and just on Snapchat after a nap at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, because that is the way I do things, and going through Snapchat, ended up going through a food blog, and they were doing all of these weird cookie hacks. The one that caught my eye is kind of a pinwheel cookie. So it's gonna be chocolate chip cookie dough rolled out flat with brownie batter on top. You roll it up, and then what ends up happening, you stick it in the freezer, chop it up, and it makes these beautiful pinwheel cookies. I make the world's best brownie. I make some damn good brownies. I am on grandma level of brownies, and I make really good cookies. So I'm excited because these might be some delicious cookies. Okay, so I have just completed making the cookie dough. I omitted the chocolate chips from it though, because I feel like it's gonna make it really hard to roll out. I think if I had the mini chocolate chips, I would have put it in the dough, because you can roll those out. This is gonna go into the fridge until the brownie mixture is done. So the problem I'm having right now is I'm trying to figure out if I need a full batch of brownie batter or if I only need a half batch, because I don't think I'm gonna need that much. When in doubt, I don't think my boyfriend is going to be that upset to come home and find brownies. But do I need to waste more eggs? My brownie recipe takes 4 eggs. The cookie one took 2. That's 6 eggs. That's half a dozen eggs for this recipe. We're at the exciting part. I have my brownie batter made. It looks absolutely delicious, like it always does. I'm gonna roll this out and plop it on top, and we will see how it looks. So the cookie dough is rolled out now. Looks really delicious. I left it pretty thick. I don't know if you can see that. I have to work fast because my brownie dough is best when warm. It's starting to thicken up. Like, my brownie dough is like viscosity, no joke. I did end up making a half batch. It just seemed right. I'm just gonna glop it all on there. Hopefully it doesn't fall out the sides. Oh, that moved. Oh God. This dough is very sticky. I only sat in the fridge for a little amount of time. I think it needs longer in the fridge, but you just gotta be very careful. Ooh, I did it again. And very delicate. I left it on the thicker side just to help with stability, and I don't know if it's helping at all. So we're going to add these lovely milk chocolate chips on top. So here we go, a lovely floured surface. The chocolate chips on top. I think I'm gonna roll it this way. That just feels right. And then I get a longer log for more cookies. I wish I had a better place to put you guys besides the top of my stove so you can actually see what I'm doing. Joel is out of the house, so I don't have a cameraman and I don't have a tripod, so I'm absolutely sorry about what you're about to not see. I left a perimeter around the cookie dough for the brownie, so hopefully it doesn't leak. Okay, we're just gonna squish it shut. Oh, it's not very round. The cookie dough definitely needed to be chilled, like maybe overnight, but I'm too excited to hold off on this endeavor. So this is our log roll creation. So comparison, hand. It's quite tall as well.
So these are gonna be some big cookies. You know, if I was smart, I would have put down parchment paper and rolled it out on that. I feel like that would have been the smart thing to do. We're just gonna plastic wrap it up and hope that works. I just think I made too much cookie dough. Oh God, I think this is too thick for the plastic wrap. He's a big boy. Okay. This is what we are looking at right now. So the saran wrap only goes to there. Which definitely isn't double that, but maybe it can get squeezed a little tighter. I can always put a second roll on it. Do I shove it like under and then flip it? What about a spatula underneath? So I'm gonna try to shove the plastic wrap underneath, even if it's like a little bit, just so I know it's under there. Oh, this is actually working surprisingly well. Ingenuity. I'm a Ravenclaw, by the way. Will you flip for me? Oh, maybe. Oh! Oh! I did it! I flipped it! Flipped it. Oh, there's definitely cookie remnants all over. But now it's at least easier to handle. Oh God, it is not round at all. It is very, like, kind of looks like poop. I hate that it looks like poop. I want this to be amazing. The So Yummy Instagram, no, it wasn't Instagram. The So Yummy Snapchat looked beautiful. It was beautiful pin rolls. They were also using store-bought cookie dough. I think that's why, because that comes pre-chilled. I'm gonna put it on a cookie tray. Okay. Shabam. Oh, it looks good. Sorry, that was really high-pitched. Okay. Look at how big this is. Ooh. Just like every food thing you ever see on the internet, it's not as easy as you think it's gonna be. I thought easy, like rolling this was gonna be easy peasy, but obviously I didn't let it sit long. That was loud and I'm really sorry. That even shook the camera. I'm so sorry. But like everything you see on the internet, it looks way easier than what it actually ends up being. This feels like it's been an event, but at least the more like saran wrap on it, I'm feeling like I can form it. Like it was looking very flat, but now it's at least looking like rolled. It's looking round at least now. It wasn't before, so the saran wrap is working a little bit. So I am going to pop this into the freezer on the baking sheet. I'm definitely thinking it needs to like chill. Hello. So Joel just came home and he doesn't know what I've been doing. Do you want to hear what I've been doing?
Yes.
Okay, so I was on Snapchat and I saw this weird recipe idea. Mm-hmm. It was cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie dough. And they put brownies on top, like brownie dough, and they rolled it. And it's a cookie.
It's a cookie.
It's a cookie. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
So I have it freezing right now, but I should be able to cut into it and make some cookies.
Nice.
Are you excited?
Yes.
That's like two of your favorite things.
We're gonna do cookies.
We're gonna do cookies, yeah. It's always cookies.
Awesome.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Bah. Okay, so Joel's helping me, so it's not super awkward now. We have our lovely log. I took it out, and we are going to do this. Do you want to come in close? Dun, dun. Okay. Ready? Ready? Are you ready? Oh, I went through a chocolate chip.
That's professional. That looks really good.
Yeah? You excited?
A little bit.
A little bit of everything you like. Oh my god.
Looks like you need to work out a little bit to actually get through that thing.
Says you. So I put the chocolate chips in the brownies. I didn't put them in. Aren't these gonna be like the biggest ass cookies you've seen?
Yeah, it's gonna be huge.
I put the chocolate chips in the brownies instead of in the dough. They use store-made dough in the Snapchat.
Right.
But you know how I like making weird things, so this called to me. Called to me.
Yeah.
It was a struggle. You have no idea how hard I struggled. You'll see one day. One day, if this ever gets on the internet.
If and when this video gets published.
Yes. Do you think I don't think I should do any more. That looks really cool though.
Yeah, I think that's gonna fill up the pan.
Yeah, because theirs like spread out and then this was still all brownie-y.
Okay.
I just,
Yeah.
everything is a guess at this point.
Let's just leave it at that.
Everything's a guess. I'm guessing it's 350. I'm gonna pop these back in the freezer so they don't get all gooey and gross.
Yep.
And then we'll see how long it takes to cook.
Mm-hmm.
And if it's delicious.
All right.
Oh my goodness, we're so awkward. Okay.
Who's better? I don't know. It's weird.
You're very weird.
Yeah.
So I ended up cooking the brookies for like 14 minutes. I hope they're done. I don't know. But would you rather eat raw cookie dough or like
They look done.
really hard brownie?
The answer is cookie dough.
Always. Always.
Come
Which one do you want? I think this one looks the best. Like
Okay. Well,
they came out huge.
crack that bad boy in half. Let's eat it.
Because you're not gonna eat more than half.
No. I'll take that small half. Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
I know you.
All right.
Wouldn't it be good if I had an actual camera stand? What's going on?
It's surprisingly mostly cookie.
I'm getting mostly fudgy, but I bit into a brownie bit. You're not in frame, by the way.
Where am I here?
That way.
There I am.
Hello. Because mine's mostly brown. I ate mostly brown. Are you okay?
Ah.
Hot?
Love it. No, it's teeth.
Oh, no.
Ah.
The pain you put up with me.
These are a trip.
Yeah.
You go from like cookie to brownie to like chocolate chip is. They're good. They're a trip, but I can't handle them. They hurt my teeth.
You can't handle the truth.
I can't handle the teeth.
No. I don't think they're worth the hassle I went through.
No, they're mostly cookie-ish.
Yeah. Like, they're okay.
Mm-hmm.
They're not bad, but they're just very underwhelming.
Yeah. If you're expecting like the full cookie brownie experience,
Yeah.
then
They might be undercooked though.
you may as well eat a brownie and a cookie.
But it was a fun experiment though.
It was a good first run.
And I always know people eat these at work.
And welcome to the awkward YouTube video inauguration.
Yay! The first one everyone's ashamed of and then they hide it.
Yep.
Becomes a private video because it's so awkward.
At least it's raw. Like these cookies. I'm
insulted. I'm very insulted right now. You know what I'm gonna do? You have to eat 2 cookies now. That's your punishment.
No, I'm done. I'm over it.
And we're back. So thank you so much for watching. If you want me to make a modern recreation of this recipe, because I think you noticed that we liked it, but it wasn't really that great, let me know in the comments down below. And if you could, in the comments, tell me the best part of your day. Whether it's you saw a dog, whether you saw your crush, anything like that, just let me know. Thanks. Bye. Feel like I look very MySpace. Mixtopia. MySpace. MySpace. MySpace.